Hola y bienvenidos a Módulo 13. This is our last real module. Congratulations, we made it to the end. After this, it's just the final project. The topic is again the formal commands. So if you had problems in Module 12, if you didn't get full credit on the quiz or you didn't get full credit on the assignments, like really make sure that you review that material. Email me if you have questions. Please make sure you understand the formal commands because you need the formal commands to be on your final project. So last set of readings, last set of videos, same topic as last week with the formal commands. The information is there about the final project. As soon as you're finished with this module, really start working on that final project. So we have our last homework packet, our last speaking assignment, our last quiz, and then please remember that the final project scripts are due next Friday. So December 1st, they're not due on Sunday, they're due Friday. I want to try to get them back to you by Sunday so that you can start actually filming your videos, because you don't want to film the videos until I tell you if your script is okay or not. So start working on those as soon as you're done with this module. You can submit them early. I'll try to look at them as early as you submit them. And that's it. Let me know if you have any questions. Congratulations on making it to the end. Y nos vemos pronto.